start the Robo Vacuum.
Alright, starting the robot vacuum.
Oh, look at it. 2500 Pascal suction power. I think it's more than sufficient. This is a one-sided brush Robo Vacuum by Xiaomi that sent to me as a gift that I do not have obligation to make any video. But after watching my video that I will show you how to do a maintenance and also the costs for maintenance, I hope it gives you a clear idea whether should you get one. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is about unboxing this Mi Robot vacuum mop. Let's get started. Well, this Mi Robot vacuum mop is suitable for hard surface, carpet surface, and even wooden floor. A selling point. It's a very good selling point. 2 cm height. It's capable to go through a 2 cm height obstacle crossing and has an 8.2 cm ultra thin design so that it will go underneath the sofa. Mopping. It has electronic control, water mopping system. Good camera, I guess, so that you're able to tell where is this mop and you're able to map its location in the house. It comes with very powerful 2500 Pascal. This product was sent to me as a gift and I do not have obligation to make a video. User menu is in English. Okay, that's good. And then I need to go through this later, how to install, what the do and don't. I'll read it later. Oh, it feels so good. Wow, I like it. Let me remove this from the box. Well, it's quite heavy. Let me remove the box. Right, so this is the base, how it look like. It's an instruction how you should place your charging dock and what to do, what not to do. It comes with also a cleaning knife. This is actually a knife here. You can use this to clean the brush. So all you need to do is remove the cover and then just pull it out to clean this brush. When you trap hair on it, you can use this cleaner. There's a knife here to actually clean off the hair. This holder, one other one over here. Just pull it. Sure, you don't throw away this tiny brush that goes into here, this hole. Don't throw this brush away, otherwise you need to buy it. This is a consumable product. Flip it around and this is how it looks like. Or you can open up this cover. Oh, this is where the dustbin are hidden. This is instruction what to do. Remove the dustbin, how to clean any dust containing filter become clogged. Okay, you need to clean this dustbin from time to time. Or this is an indication for Wi-Fi and how to reset. Okay, just squeeze and pull it out. Okay, so that's where the filter are located. It's new, so it's clean. I'll remove the plastic. Wow, it looks so good. Woo. So it says remove the protective film before use. So this is a camera. I'm going to remove it. Just follow instruction. Wow, it looks good. I like it. According to the user manual, I need to press the on-off button for 3 seconds. Here, start blinking.
Turning on.
So I press home.
Returning to the dock to charge.
Let's charge it up and I share you my experience. I received this as a gift 8 months ago and I decided to put it on hold so that I was able to use it for at least 8 months. Only then I was able to share you my personal usage, my personal experience about this device or Robo Vacuum by Xiaomi. Right, so I think one of the things that you need to know is actually cleaning process, the maintenance. What are the maintenance? Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, it's very dirty. This is a result from 3 times cleaning a week, and 1 month will be roughly 12 times. Okay, after 12 times cleaning, this is how it looks like. The cleaning process is very straightforward. I mean, the label is clear. I mean, just open it up easily, just pour it into the dustbin, and then I would actually use a brush to actually clean the dustbin. You may actually use soap water to on a cloth and then clean it, wipe clean. Then the HEPA filter, I just need to tap it at least 20 times, front and back, left and right. This HEPA filter is actually considered consumable that you can buy online and then have it shipped over to you. It's quite reasonable price, so that's why I would recommend this product because the cost of ownership first is actually quite affordable. It costs roughly 600 ringgit. And then the consumables, okay, the 3 consumables, the main brush, the filters, and also the side brush, it's quite affordable. So that's why I recommend this product. Not because I get it as a free gift, but because of my after 8 months usage, I recommend. I think you should get one of this, so at least you have more quality time to make more video if you're a YouTuber like me, right? Or what happened is it actually saves you time, right, to do cleaning. It's routine work. Why not use a robot to do it? Now, the brush, the main brush, actually you need to use a scissors to clean off the hair so that it actually spins better. Now you may use just only soap and water to actually clean the main brush once a month or twice a month. Okay, it's up to you how you define cleanliness. So for me, I actually clean it once a month, right? You can just use any dishwasher, just a few drops of it, and then put it on a cloth and then just wipe it clean, right? So it's up to you what kind of chemical. They say do not use strong chemical because you do not want the plastic to actually discolor, to become yellowish. For me, I would just use disinfectant, so I don't care if it's actually degraded or the plastic become yellowish. I just get a new box or a new roller. I will disinfect it once a month. Okay, I hope you understand. So it's up to you, right? If you are worried, then just use soap and water. Okay, I use a brush like this to clean up the dust. Okay, and then later I'll vacuum this floor. Okay, because the dust will be over the floor. And then the main body as well, the hole here, okay, once a month maintenance, I think it's reasonable. Then also the wheel down there, okay, the 3 wheels, okay, just wipe it clean because this is a device used to clean the house. If it's the device itself is dirty, then how do you expect it to clean the house, right? Then the installation, just clip it back and then push it back into the compartment, then wipe it clean. That's all, right? The user experience is great. For the past 8 months, at least I do not need to mop the floor and do not need to even vacuum the floor. 2,500 Pascal, I think is good enough. You do not need to mop it every day. That's my experience. Then just press home and then let it find the docking station on its own. It's a robot, right? Routine work, I think, should be done by using robot. I think we humans shouldn't spend too much time with routine work, right? It's mopping the floor, get a robot, right? This is how it looks like. Now, next, I'm going to show you how about the mopping feature. I haven't shown you up until now, right? So the mopping, that it's a compartment for you to store the water compartment, and then yeah, just right before that, you can actually connect this to a Google Home, isn't it? Right? So you can ask the Google Mini to mop the floor. So this is how it looks like, the compartment. Actually, there are 2 spring-loaded notch by the side to clip it onto the main device, the Xiaomi Robot vacuum device. So the instruction is printed there. So you just follow the instruction on what to do. You need to wet the cloth down there, and you do not want to place this wet towel, okay, over a wooden floor for too long, because otherwise the wooden floor will actually bulge out, right? So that's the opening that I normally add 2 or 3 droplets of floor cleaner. Okay, just a little bit, only 2 or 3 droplets. Each time it actually uses up half the container. Okay, I live in a small house, so maybe half of it, and fill all the way up. Then this is Velcro, just pull it out and then slide out. There's an arrow here, slide the other way around, and then wet it, and to clean it once a week, because normally I will mop the floor once a week. It's going to be very dirty here after each time I mop the floor. And then just clean it and then push it back. I normally will not attach to the main device unless I need to mop the floor. Okay, then it's wet here, so dry it, otherwise it will grow rust. And then just clip it back by the side. If you want to do any mopping, maybe I will do it on Saturday morning. Just clip it and then we'll ask it to mop. You see how it looks like? And then the sofa is so clean now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If this video helps you to make a decision, like it. And that's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.